Alright, so we're here inside of the warehouse working from the clean out in the back end of the warehouse. It's heading out the back and making its way to the ejection pit. We are able to get just about 190 feet. From this point, we'll have to move to a cleared out outside to continue. This is a very, very long run. Weren't able to make it from the pit back up to this point, as I originally had planned on doing, in order to suck all the debris out. It's such a long run, I can't even get to the pit in order to switch the hoses. So I'm going to come back from this point and just check the condition of it currently, see how it's looking. Alright, so we have a little bit of rock there within the first 4 to 5 feet of this clean out. So I'm going to pause the video, work on sucking those out of the line since they're so close, and I will get the last little bit of that recording before we move to the outside section and work our way to the pit. Alright, so sucked those rocks out of there. What we're looking at, we're not actually 40 feet down the line, we're actually right on the other side of this fence, separating the two parts of the back of the warehouse where it makes the left-hand turn, right at the clean out on the other side of the fence here. So do have a bit of a sag in that line right before it goes that wide, but there we go. See, we've gotten all those stones. A couple little ones left that'll flush out, but tough to get them all out of there. We'll get some water, float those little ones down the line. Dealing with all of that mess in there. So I'm going to go ahead and end here, move to the outside, clean out, and make our way over to the ejection pit. Alright, moved out here to the ejection pit. We've gone, well, the camera's been reset because we had to turn it off and on there, but we are a bit over 100 feet in that line now, so that's going to make up the distance that we got from the inside, the 180. Did some locating to see exactly where we were at and flush this section of the line, so we'll pull back and see how this is looking. Alright, so saw that in line, it's nice and clear. Actually got a dollar plug cap out of that line, as well as the remaining bit of the scale and everything that we saw as we were pulling back from that 190 foot mark. I said 180 before, but it's actually 190. So we're just going to go ahead and end the survey there.